Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic of video is electromagnetism. What is electromagnetic force? The electromagnetic force is a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles. It acts between charged particles and is a combination of all magnetic and electrical forces. The electromagnetic force can be attractive or repulsive. Before the invention of electromagnetism, people or scientists used to think electricity and magnetism are two different topics. The view has changed after James Clerk Maxwell published A Treatise on Electricity and Magnetism in the year 1873. The publication states that the interaction of positive and negative charges are mediated by one force. This observation laid a foundation for electromagnetism. Later, many scientists like Michael Faraday, Oliver Heaviside, and Heinrich Hertz contributed their ideas in the electromagnetism. What is electromagnetism? Electromagnetism is a process where a magnetic field is created by introducing the current in the conductor. When a conductor is electrically charged, it generates magnetic lines. For example, if current, that is positive charge, move in a wire, it produces magnetic field along the wire, and the direction of magnetic lines and force can be determined using right-hand rule. Refer to the image for a detailed explanation. Here is diagram for Fleming's left-hand rule and Fleming's right-hand rule. Explanation of electromagnetism with an example. Permanent electromagnetic speakers commonly used in TVs and radios are perfect example of electromagnetic devices. Let's see the operation of these devices, which are based on the principle of electromagnetism. See the picture below. In order to convert electrical waves in the audible sound, the speakers are designed. A metal coil is attached to a permanent magnet, and when current passes through the coil, it generates a magnetic field. The newly formed magnetic field is repelled by the permanent magnetic field, resulting in the vibrations. These vibrations are amplified by the cone-like structure, causing the sound. This is how speakers work based on electromagnetism. Applications of electromagnetism. A few applications of electromagnetism are: electromagnetism serves as a fundamental working principle for many of the home appliances in household applications. The maglev trains or high-speed trains work on the principle of electromagnetism. Electromagnetic radiations are used in the communication system to transfer data from the source to the receiver. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel.